we can talk about all of these great products and all of these great innovations. If we don't have the environment to live in, we have nothing. So I decided to take over this journey. These are the existing municipal solid waste landfills in the United States. We produce 35% of the total municipal solid waste in the world, while we only carry 5% of the population. So in California, we have 1.4 billion tons of solid waste buried. It's equal to $190 billion. It's a treasure hunt. We have this money, we are burying it, and we are just sweeping it under the carpet. So, and that's only a part of it. In Texas, 100 billion, but what is floating on the oceans are even higher. So what WignitE does is that WignitE is based on mature technologies. We have municipal solid waste electricity, we have it to the biofuels, and we have the pyrolysis process. So what WignitE does is that WignitE can combine all of these processes. And of course, I have my innovations that they are patent pending. And this helps the future of us on Earth. We can have the greatest of the greatest, but if we don't clean it, we are doomed. So this is the process. The process is a zero emission process. We are recycling all the carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide back into the gasifier and pyrolyzer. This is the overview. I don't want to really go into the detail, but we are producing electricity from the gas turbine, and we are producing the biofuels from the pyrolysis and from the gasification, both. So this process is a very profitable process versus the process that was there before. The value proposition is that this is the first of kind facility in the United States that does 4 things at the same time. Recycling, we are pyrolyzing, we are gasifying, and we are producing electricity. The technology, of course, one of my patents in this technology is that we are doing the gasification and pyrolysis at the same time in the same furnace. But it's kind of impossible. So the resources, we have plenty of municipal solid waste around the continent and anywhere else. They were showing in Africa, actually, Nigeria is suffering from a lot of municipal solid waste issue. The products are diesel, kerosene, gasoline, charcoal, electricity. We recycle high-end plastics. We sell the fly ash, and we also produce sulfur, chlorine, and nitrogen. The environmental issues, it's huge. As you saw in the picture, it's almost everywhere in the United States we have a big, massive red dot or green dot. That means that it was one day active and now it's closed. So where it's coming from is that WignitE and coal power plants are almost the same. WignitE is 32% less than wind power plants and 61% less than solar power plants. So we can go and invest in solar, but we can spend 1/3 of that and produce one WignitE that will produce the exact same amount of electricity as the same solar panel. And anyways, we are all entrepreneurs. Alex Bacardi, Paul Eshkeli, Mamta Singh, each of us have our companies, our profitable companies, but we decided to do something for Earth, for the humans on the Earth. We think that if we go the good side, we can produce $1.5 billion out of 1,000 tons of plastics per day, which will also consume 1,000 tons of municipal solid waste. So, WignitE is the initiative to clean the earth and clean the ocean. We are waiting for you guys to join us, to help us, and to perform this. Thank you.
Question.